Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sophia Camarda if you're new, and today Apple has released their new spring phone cases for 2025, and I love this season. I love when they come out with the spring cases because honestly, they always eat more than the fall cases. Right now I have the black case on my black 16 Pro Max, but today we have not one, but two special guests. Firstly, we're gonna be going with Mrs. Peony silicone case. Round of applause. Round of applause. And then we have Mr. I don't know why it's a guy, but Mr. Aquamarine. If you guys have been around before, we did a whole video for Mrs. Soft Mint last year, and if you're a real one, I did a video comparing pink sand and grapefruit back in like 2020, and I'm just so excited to be doing another Apple case video. Honestly, you can never go wrong with the silicone cases. I don't care what anybody says, they're some of my favorite cases. Let's just get into them and do a proper unboxing and review and see these guys up close. We're gonna start with Mrs. Peony, and this is such a summer vibe. Imagine the outfit. We're gonna do this case with like a nice sundress, little like sandal hidden heel moment, nice little bag, maybe some sunglasses. Do you see the vision? And it's like sunny outside how it is today. It's gonna be such a vibe. Okay, and I haven't even opened it yet. Let's get into it. I love that even for their cases, they give us the traditional Apple unboxing experience. Oh my god, I already got a peek and it looks so pretty. Look! It's so good! What the heck? It's so much more vibrant than I thought. Look at it. So it's almost like a hot pink, almost giving Barbie. Like it's a little bit like a Barbie vibe. This is very different for Apple. I feel like they never make good pinks. This low-key reminds me of the pink 16, I think it is. This is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and let's try her on. Here's what the inside looks like, and these all have MagSafe in them, as you could see. Obviously, all of the sides are silicone, even the buttons and everything like that. This is such a gorgeous color. Like, my mood is elevated from having this. Have you guys seen the iPhone 17 rumors, how they're gonna be changing the camera bump to be like massive? I am honestly scared. That's gonna put all these cases out of business in like 6 months. What a shame. Anyway, let's try it on. Oh my goodness! It is so cute! Okay, this might be one of my favorite cases of all time. Like, this is going down in the legendary books when it comes to the iPhone 16 cases. And it looks so good with the black, guys. Look at this. Are you joking with that? Like, that is freaking beautiful. Wow, I am obsessed with this. Everyone is gonna love this case. Like, if you're debating, should I get it? Just buy it. And honestly, if you have an Apple card, it's $4 a month. Like, please. It's basically free. That's girl math. And then let's open Mr. Aquamarine. It could be a girl. Maybe when I open it, I'll get like girl vibes, but here's the box and let's get into it. I love opening Apple products. Like, it never gets old. And here we go. Oh my god. Is this soft mint? Is this soft mint? Why does this look just like soft mint? Apple, I am on to you. I'm gonna do a side-by-side with soft mint once I can get my hands on her. I actually gave her to a friend, but I'm gonna like borrow it so that I can show you guys side-by-side if this is really soft mint or not. But if you guys missed out on soft mint last year, it's basically the same thing. Okay, it's a girl. Like, soft mint is a girl, but not me giving like genders to the iPhone cases. I have like actual issues. This is why they don't invite me. This is what it looks like, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a very nice, almost like light teal color. It reminds me of like a Caribbean ocean, like that very like light turquoise kind of color. So here it is next to the pink. Both these colors together are just totally giving. Let's try it on the phone though. And nothing feels as good as like a fresh silicone case because it doesn't have like any residue on it yet. It just feels so good. There's the animation. This really feels like soft mint. I don't know. I'm sure it's like subtly different, but honestly, they probably wanted to make another soft mint because it did so well last year. But this is gorgeous, and this is definitely more for like the spring vibes. March, April, even May. And then you can like transition into your summer color, you know? Or just wear them every day. That is the aquamarine color. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Would you get this case? Did you get this case? Let me know in the comments. Honestly, they're both hitting pretty hard. Like, I honestly think Apple popped off with these colors is. I was really blown away though by the pink one. Like if I had to pick one, I'd probably go with this just because it's so different for Apple. Like they always do like muted colors like this, but this hot pink, this is some of their best work. Even like the Apple logo on it is not like a weird color. You know how sometimes they do that and they make it like orange or something? Not here, honey, not here. If you've never had an Apple silicone case, I will give you guys like a quick school lesson on it. They are $50 for no reason. They are pretty good quality though, and I would say they're probably like an average price for a phone case compared to like the whole market, because phone cases are pretty expensive these days. So it's not terrible. I will say, like, I've been able to wear silicone cases for the entire year having my phone and not get any scratches on it. Like guys, I can show you right now. I got this case in September with my phone, and I would say this is my #1 worn case just because it's like easy for every day and you don't have to think about it. And there's not any dents. Like it looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's been about 6 months. I would say that this case has held up. And if you didn't know, Apple actually does 1-year warranty with their silicone cases. So say you do get a dent on it before the year is up, they can send you a new one. I've done it before. All you have to do is chat with the Apple support and they will send you a new one for free. I'm not sure if they do it more than once though, so like if you break the second one, that's on you. I'm just kidding. But that is good to know because a lot of people don't know that, and I have used it before, so I can like vouch that it is a really good thing that Apple does. And I would say my favorite thing about the silicone cases is that they don't slide out of your hand. They really do help you to kind of like hold onto your phone and not drop it. Some of the more glossy cases are gorgeous, but sometimes they can be a little bit slippery. So I do find it is a bit easier to actually like use my phone and hold it in my hand. Let's switch to the pink one as I continue talking because I just want to vibe with her more. Oh, it's so good. It's just like how that, I can't even talk. It's so good. Another thing I like about the cases is they are really thin around the edges. Look how thin that is around the border. It's such a thin profile. It makes your phone as light as possible too, which is a plus if you have the Pro Max because it's a pretty hefty phone. Like it's pretty heavy. So the silicone cases kind of help it to feel as thin and light as possible. And if you're wondering, this is what the camera button looks like on them. So it has like this little glass thing. I think it's glass, but it has like a cover, so it's not a cutout, so it makes it kind of easier to access the button. And this is just a little bonus tip. I don't know if you guys have had this issue, but I'm always accidentally hitting the camera button. So I went into my settings and I changed it so that I have to double tap it for it to open the camera, and I don't have that issue anymore. So that has been life-changing because honestly I was getting annoyed. That was our quick iPhone case unboxing. Let me know what you guys thought of the silicone cases and which one you will be getting for the spring and summertime this year. I love both of them though, and it feels good to have Soft Mint back, even though they want to call her aquamarine. Like it's just not. It's just not. Make sure you guys stay till the end because I will put some close-up shots of the cases here for you so that you can really see them in action. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! I knew the real ones would stick around. I cannot wait to wear Mrs. Peony out to dinner tonight. I'm gonna plan my whole outfit around this bitch right here. Subscribe!